Hi everyone, in this video you'll learn what is the HTML Web Storage API and how it is used. Web storage enables web applications to store data locally within the user's browser. HTML web storage is superior to cookies in many ways. Before HTML5, application data had to be stored in cookies, which were included in every server request. Web storage offers greater security, allowing large amounts of data to be stored locally without impacting website performance. Unlike cookies, web storage has a much larger storage limit, at least 5 megabytes, and does not transfer information to the server. Web storage is specific to each origin domain and protocol. This means that all pages from the same origin can store and access the same data. HTML web storage offers two objects for storing data on the client side. Window local storage stores data without an expiration date. Window session storage stores data for one session only, that is, the data is lost when the browser tab is closed. Before implementing web storage, it's important to verify browser support for local storage and session storage. As you can see in this code, here we are checking if the local storage is available or not available. The local storage object. The local storage object stores data without an expiration date. This data persists even when the browser is closed and remains available in the future, whether it's the next day, week, or year. As you can see in this code, here we are storing a local storage item with the name, full name, and the value semicon. Here we are retrieving the value of full name and placing it inside an HTML element having the ID local data. To remove the full name item from local storage, you can use the following syntax. Name, value pairs are always stored as strings. Remember to convert them to a different format when necessary. For example, in case of a calculation, you may need to convert the string into a number using number string. As you can see here, we are storing two numbers in local storage, but these numbers are stored as strings. Now, if we want to use them in a calculation, we need to convert them into numbers first, as you can see here. The result of this calculation will be 5. The session storage object is similar to the local storage object, but it only retains data for the duration of one session. The data is deleted when the user closes the specific browser tab. As you can see in this code, the text semicon will be saved and retrieved only in the current session. This was all about HTML Web Storage API. Please check the video description for more information. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.